Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Open Chrome and press Shift plus ESC to open the Chrome Task Manager now. Look for tabs and extensions using over 512 MB of memory. Note the specific process names before you act. Next, update Chrome to the latest version using Settings and About Chrome. Updates often fix known memory leaks and crashes in recent builds. Restart Chrome completely after updating to ensure patches apply. Also, restart your computer to clear lingering system memory allocations. Close unused tabs when you regularly have more than 10 tabs open. Each active tab can use around 100 MB of memory or more. Use tab groups or bookmarks to preserve pages without keeping them loaded. Open Chrome, / extensions, and disable or remove extensions that you rarely use. If 3 or more extensions show high usage, uninstall the unnecessary ones. Clear browsing data, including cached images and cookies, to frequently free roughly 100 MB of space. Enable Memory Saver in Chrome settings so inactive tabs are discarded automatically. This reduces background RAM by reclaiming memory from unused tabs without losing tabs. Consider switching to 64-bit Chrome for improved memory handling on modern systems. Use Chrome / discards to manually discard large tabs when necessary. If Chrome continues leaking memory, reset settings to default to remove corrupted preferences. As a final step, uninstall and reinstall Chrome to ensure a clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.